Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Easy Learning. I am Hakim Nawasi. Today we will discuss the basics of Java. Many students ask me the question, is it is necessary to learn basic languages like C and C++ to learn Java? My answer is no. You can learn Java from beginning, so we don't need any other language. If we are learning the OOP concepts, then we have to learn the procedural concepts of Java or C++. Okay? Java is basically a high-level language originally developed by Sun Microsystems, which was initiated by James Gosling in 1991. The language initially called OOP. After an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office, Sun released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 in 1995. The oak was developed in 1991. The latest release of the Java Standard Edition is Java 8. Java runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, in the various versions of Unix. This tutorial gives you a complete understanding of and will take you through simple and practical approaches while learning Java programming language. Java has different categories. We have three major categories of Java, which are Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, and Java 2 Micro Edition or Mobile Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition is used for client-side applications. Java 2 Enterprise Edition is used for server-side applications, and Java 2 Micro Edition is used for mobile-side applications. Why should we learn Java? Because Java is simple, dynamic, interpreted, portable, high performance, multi-threaded, platform independent, architectural neutral, object oriented, distributed, secure, and robust. For writing our first program, what we need? We need a text editor like Notepad, which is in your window. I know your operating system. You can use any text editor, a Java development kit. Install the complete version of Java development kit in your system. You can set the path in environmental variables in advanced setting of your system. Okay, the path will be like program file, Java development kit, and bin. You have to set the path in environmental variables. Okay. Now let's start with our first program. We have to write our first program. We will start with the name public class. The name of the class, for example, we will write alpha. We will save the file with the name alpha.java. Okay. We will start the body of the class. Then we will write main method, public, static, void, main, string, argument. And we will start the body of the method. Okay. In Java, the writing style of an array is like we will declare the size and then we will write the name of the array, or we can use simple C style. Java adopt maximum style of C, like we will write like this. Okay, we write our main method. Why it is public? It is to call by Java virtual machine from anywhere. Static, it exists without any object. Java virtual machine call this method. Void, the method is valueless. It will return nothing. The main, the name of our configured method, which will be called by Java virtual machine. and we have command line arguments. Okay, we'll write first line like system dot out dot print. We can use print or print line. If we write the print, then it will write the line in the same line where the output is given, or we will write print line, it will move to the next line. Okay, we will write hello world, and we will close our method, we will close our class. This program will show the hello world. The system.out.print line is used for taking input output from the user, and it will show hello world on the screen. We will save our program with the name alpha.java. For compilation, we will open the command prompt and we will write in command prompt Java C compile Java space alpha dot Java. If there are no errors, it will be compiled, and after compilation we will write Java space alpha to run our program. When we compile our program, it will convert the Java file to .class file. It will convert it to the alpha.class, which can be seen in the folder where the file is saved. This is called bytecode. It can be run anywhere with the simple command prompt or with the simple compile interpreter. Okay, when we will run our program, we will compile our program, there may be some errors. These are called compiler errors. Compiler will complain if error were made in writing the source code. These are called compiler errors. Correct source code errors are needed in recompile. If there are some errors while compile time, then they are called compiler errors. Usually not very well phrased. Some guessing required again with experience of using the compiler. Okay, we have, when all errors are corrected, the compiler creates a file called bytecode. Okay, if there are no error at compilation time, there may be some errors at runtime. When you are going to run the program, they provide some errors. These are called runtime errors. Runtime errors that take place during the time the program runs, these errors cannot be caught by the compiler. Often they are referred to as exceptions, like we divide a program by 1 by 0. Any number from 0. We are usually reported by Java runtime environment called Java virtual machine. Then we have logical errors. Logical errors are errors which are neither caught in compilation, neither caught in running. For example, we divide a number, like we have divide a number 5 by 2, and it's an integer type number. Then the result will be 2. This is wrong. The result should be 2.5. Then this should be a float type number. These are data types. We will discuss it in our next lecture. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. For more videos, please share, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.